Oh, no way. I caught the first cast. Cast it upstream. I almost didn't even feel him bite. We're gonna unbox the Cabela SuperMag chest waders. I got them. Where's the size? I forgot what size I ordered. I got an 11 regular, but I'm just gonna get right into it. We're just gonna open them up and see what they look like. They feel really nice. Not sure if you can hear me because of the cars in the background, but it's got like a cushiony feel to it. Like, I guess it's the neoprene maybe, but we're gonna put them right on and then we're gonna test them out. All right, so here is my first walk in the water with the Cabelas SuperMag chest waders. These can be used for fishing. This can be used for duck hunting. I'm just kind of going in and seeing how they feel. They definitely feel thick. I think they're that 3M insulate. It is a hot day today, so I don't think I'm going to be wearing them very long because they do have a lot of insulation. But I'm just kind of like walking around, getting my feel for it. I'm going to go grab my fishing rod in a second because, yeah, might as well fish, right? But, yeah, I'm pretty much like knee deep in the water. I got my phone in my pocket, so hopefully these things are waterproof. I'll give you a little idea of what we're looking at here. So yeah, 3M insulate. I'll put a bunch of the specifics up on the screen, but for a trout wader, like if you're wading for trout and fishing, these would be really good. For hunting, already I can tell that I really like these. I'm trying to get to a deep spot where like I can go at least waist level. I don't think it gets any deeper than this in this spot. But yeah, they're super thick. They've got some D-rings here too. Oh, I just saw a fish pass by me. Wow, that is a big fish. All right, I gotta grab my rod. Talk about these waders later. Let me get my rod. Oh my God, that is a big fish. I gotta go. Dude, that fish was like this big. You can see what it is. I'm gonna grab my rod and throw it out there. See if I can catch it. Alright, so I got a spinner tied on here since I saw that fish swimming in the water. It's supposed to cast upstream, so we're going to do that. Oh, no way! I caught the first cast! I caught a smallmouth. First cast, I got a smallie. So I caught a little smallmouth using the inline spinner. This is like the third smallie I've ever caught in my life. Cast it upstream. I almost didn't even feel him bite. But let's go ahead and release this guy and see if there's any trout that want to bite. Whew! And he's gone. All right, let's get back out there. See if we can catch anything sizable. Oh, got another one. Oh, he got off. Oh my gosh. That was getting some bites here. This is a good day. Wow. So if I didn't already mention, these are 1,600 gram insulate They're nice and warm. It's at the end of April, almost May now, and temperatures are warming up a little bit, but yeah, they're really nice. They're obviously camouflaged. The fish can't see me, so that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and keep throwing this little spinner here, see if we can catch me a trout. It's got front D rings. It's got a little pocket where you can put all your shells, so I think it holds 24 of them. For all the duck hunters and waterfowl hunters out there, you can use those for that too. Yeah, I'm gonna put a bunch of the specs up on the screen as far as like the 5mm neoprene and all that good stuff, and I'll also put a link in the description if you're interested in buying these. I got them for Cabelas. The sizing is a little weird. I bought a pair that I thought would fit me, judging by the chart they have on the website, but I had to return them because I am a 5'11", maybe 6 foot guy, and successful day out on the water. These waders are nothing but perfect. I thought they would be a little too warm for my liking, especially on this warm day, but once I got inside the water, it really cooled me off. Cabela SuperMag waders, really good. I would definitely buy it. I'll leave a link down below if you want to buy them for yourself. And yeah, if you liked today's video, hit a like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. If you can hear me, leave a comment because of all the cars. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. It's got front D-rings for a shell holder, so like a little sleeve you can put on the front of it. I'm not using that right now because I'm not hunting. So I just got my phone sitting in this pocket right here. Well, the good thing about having waders is you can just walk over there and get your snag. So we're down to like maybe the groin area.